So right now we're going to do the installation for the Autodesk software. So the first thing is we need to find the installation file for the software first. So you can go to any browser. So at the address bar over here, you can type in Autodesk Manage and press enter. And from here you can go to the Autodesk account from here, and you can sign in from inside over here. Right, so from here you can go to this profile picture over here and click product and service. And under the all product and service tab over here, your software should be able to appear from here for you to download. So to download, you can go to the button over here. Here you can specify which versions that you would like to download. For this case, I'm going to go with 2024, and I can select install from here, or I can also select download from here. So this will download a small installation file, and these installation files will allow you to download the installer. So right now it's going to create the Autodesk installer. Right, so once the installation has been done, you can directly run the installer from here, and you will install your software inside of the machine. However, if you close, or maybe you want to open the installer location, so you can select open in folder. The folder will be located at the download folder. So if you don't find the folder here, you can just go to the download, and then you'll be able to find the Autodesk folder, and inside there are the software that you have downloaded just now. So from here we can select setup to install the Autodesk. And right now we can just proceed to do the installation from here. Right, so once the installation has been finished, you can proceed activating the software by signing in inside of the AutoCAD, or you can also sign in from the Autodesk Access from here. So you need to sign in from here. Right, so once you have already signed in, so you can just click back to go to the product, and you can try again to open the AutoCAD and see if the software has been activated. Alright, so my account has already been signed in from here. If this does not sign in for you, so you can just click and you can go to the sign in over here. So that is how you activating your Autodesk software.